After years of studying Mars and reading many websites, the CNN website, NASA, the MUFON websites, and many other highly recommended sites, I've decided to conduct this scientific research to find out if the Mars alien cats have landed, nay, invaded our planet Earth. So, me and my friend are out here to find proof of this invasion. And that's our mission.
We're over here. Come on, come on. Closer, let's go closer. I think he just got away. I'm sure there's more around here. They run in packs. 50, maybe 100 at a time. I saw it though. But we'll stick around, see if we can get one on camera. If that isn't proof that something's out here, I don't know what is. Look at that. It's amazing. Well, I'm all alone now. The Mars alien cats, they got my cameraman, so it's just me and the camera. Hopefully I'll get out alive. You hear that? They're all around. Look, look, look. Look, they're trying to get in. They're trying to get in. I don't know what to do. They're breaking in. They're breaking in. Oh.